question. Give us all the information about your collaborators and the details of your next target.
This is the future of Iran. See why I told you to save your film? This is incredible.
My part is taking pictures, not choosing sides.
Listen, you may not realize it, but you're gonna have to pick a side, okay? You may not want to, but it's gonna happen.
For the side that has to win.
Right? Don't do this, Reza.
Reza, they'll take you to heaven. Where is Ali? This is not a game.
I don't trust this punk with his camera.
Don't do this, Reza. Reza, take care of him.
Do you still have the rolls of film from the pictures you took today?
I don't have to justify my actions to you.
Get him a new ID.
Look, I'm just a photographer, that's all.
You and your stupid camera!
I'm your family, Hussein.
Get off!
Who did this to me?
You know what to do, Reza John.
It's about survival in this country, betcha.
Every detail, Reza.